On this video, we're going to draw a tie rod end. So we know that the diameter of this threaded part of our rack end is 10 mm. So I'm going to make a threaded hole of 11 mm. So open your part. Okay. On front plane, we sketch circle. Okay. So smart dimension, we put in 11. Enter. And then we use this center. We draw rectangular. We put the dimension here 14. And then we put the dimension here 12. Alright. And then we fillet the corners. We fillet it by 3. Okay. 3. Alright, check. And then features. We extrude both base by 50. Okay, check. So this is our extruded boss base. So I sketch on the base and then I convert entity on the edge. Check. And then we're going to go pictures and enter a helix. So the same thing, it's 1 mm pitch. Okay, check. And then on top plane, we're going to sketch the profile of the thread. So similarly, what we did on the tie rod or rack end. Okay, normal 2. Okay, sketch. We draw a line. The line must be touching this helix. All right. Okay, and then we draw a center line. So we put the center. All right, and then we draw a line. All right. Okay. So this should be 8 mm smart dimension. We put this as 8 mm. Wait, undo, rosec. It should be 0.8, 0.8 mm. All right. And then this one should be zero point 0.1, or we just mirror first. Okay. So we mirror entities. We use this line, and then mirror about this line. Check. Smart dimension. This should be 1 mm or 0.2. 0.2. Okay. The height should be 1 mm. So should be 1. Enter. So once done, we close the sketch. And then we go pictures and we go sweep both base and select the helix. Alright, let's see the threaded. Now it's done. Okay, check. Alright, we got the threaded hole on this block. Right, we chamfer on one side, so therefore we still sketch on top plane, sketch, normal 2. Then we are going to cut, sketch. So I want to cut a line. Okay. All right. So I'm going to draw a center line so that I can make a revolve cut. All right. Okay, check. And then features. We go revolve cut. Okay. Now we see. Oh, it's not connected. So we have to join first. Close. To close. This is sketch. Let them merge. All right. And then check. And then revolve cut. Okay, he cut already. Check. So now it is cut. Okay, we can increase that cut. So we can edit some more. Edit sketch. All right, I want this cut to be deeper. Okay, close. All right. So now it's cut so that the thread will be nice. Now we can draw now the ball socket for the tie rod end. So we sketch still on top plane. Sketch normal 2. So we do here because we cut already on that side. So the ball socket, we are going to sketch a circle. I better extend a bit. Okay, we close first the sketch. And then from here, alright, sketch. And then convert entity. And then features, extrude boss. Okay, we put a degree. And then make it is only, alright, check. So this is my part. Now I can sketch on the top plane for double socket. Normal 2. Okay. Now sketch a circle. Okay. I put diameter of 25. Alright. So features extrude boss mid plane by 25 also. Okay. Check. So this is my ball socket. Now I'm going to cut the inside. Alright. So it's still on top plane. Sketch. Normal 2. Sketch a circle. We find the center. Alright, sketch. This will be the size of our ball of the tie rod end. So we put a dimension of maybe 20 mm. Alright, so we draw a cut half so that we can revolve cut. Okay, and then trim one side, and then features revolve cut. We use this side. Okay, check. Okay, it's already cut inside. Now we can fillet this area. Fillet. Okay, we put it only 5. All right, so same thing on the other side. All right, we can also fillet this area. That's it on the base. So check first, then we fillet this side. fillet also. Okay, and then check. All right, now we're going to cut the hole for this one. So it's still the same thing. We go on top plane, sketch, normal to, we draw a circle. Okay, it should be less than 20 because we use 20 as the cut. So I put the smart dimension. All right, this is 10. If I put 12, let's see. Okay, 12. And then, or I put 14. I make it bigger a bit. 14. Enter. All right, so this is 14. Then features, extrude cut. Okay, throw all. All right, check. So this is now my tie rod end. So the remaining will be the ball, tie rod end ball.